There were numbers. Together with the arrows, they worked without a stop, controlling the progress of time. But one day came a strong wind. A hurricane flew and blew all the numbers off the clock. The numbers scattered in different directions. And time has stopped. Everything froze. The wind blew away the number 1 straight into the sea. Help it get out. Throw a lifeline. Caught it. Press the blue spool to pull the number 1 to the coast. Cool. Wash the number 1. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Done! Tap on the bubbles. Beautiful! Put the number 1 in its place. Now I'm safe. Number 2 was caught by a bird and carried to its nest. Let's feed the hungry baby birds with some seeds. Now assemble the ladder so number 2 can come down. Assemble the ladder from the parts. Keep it up. Wash the number 2. First apply soap on a number. Wipe the figure with a towel. Done! Tap on the bubbles. Like this. Put the number 2 in its place. Thanks for the help. 3 got to the other side of the abyss. Make a cloud road so the number can come to the backpack. Good. Wash the number 3. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Cool. Tap on the bubbles. Done! Put the number 3 in its place. Now I'm safe. Cool! Wash the number 4. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Ready? Tap on the bubbles. Like this. Put the number 4 in its place. Thanks for the help. 5 flopped into the water and swims with fish. Click on the hook to lower it and catch. Click the number to pull it out. Keep it up. Wash the number 5. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Like this. Tap on the bubbles. Beautiful. Put the number 5 in its place. Great!